Hello viewers. Today we will discuss about one great project which name is Seed On. In this video we will discuss about of this great project, and first of all we will discuss about of this project and technology, tokens, token details, import Sion, sell Sion smart contract audit, and roadmap and white paper and team and contact. This all things we will discuss about this project in this video. Blockchain based crowdfunding platform. I recommended that you familiarize yourself with a very interesting project, and I know about that the Seed On project is one of the best project in 2021. And the another thing is that anybody need more information about this great project to one click here to easily to find more information about this project to the white paper and the seed on token details. Seed on symbol Sion decimal 18 and the contact address is there. Add your wallet to easily to buy this token in this time. Very cheap price. This is a very nice and powerful token of 2021. This all exchanges are support to this great tokens. Market Watch, Yahoo News, Benzinga, and etc. All is one. What is Seed On? Seed On is the one blockchain based solution and whose goal is that this is very aiming and providing a very nice and every facility to his members. Distributor ledger technology and the immutable record smart contract is crew. This is a very nice and good project. The all thing, all futures, all thing is needed very nice and good. So I said to all to invest his money, and this is a very nice and good project. Why choose our solution? You see here investment using cryptocurrency and transaction transparency and accountability. This project aim is that they provide a high-fi security to his investor, and this fund is very secure and transaction transparency and the fees are very low. Every problem they solve his members. Protect intellectual property, user screening process, possibility to earn passive income. Everything is possible. 7-step plans. Seed On present to you the 7-step plan to revolutionize and increase the rate of success for conventional. And you see here to see the account registration, screening process, project submission, and you see all the thing is here. Consultancy and compliancy check. You see here all the thing, all the function, all the future of this a very great and white and good project. And you see the structure of communicational channel. You see all the heading, and you easily to understand, to you carefully to read this all thing is in the website to check their website and see on technology. This is the white paper, and the next thing is Binance Smart Chain support payment using Sion token, and the very nice and good project blockchain based voting decision model, all screening process you see here. Token detail, token name you already know, Seed On, token symbol Sion, total supply is that blockchain B, CBP 20 burning 2%, decimal 18. And you see here the distribution about team advisor 14%, staking on DG Phoenix 17%, private publicity 42%. It is a very nice and good allocation of this great project. Private and pre-sale round start and number of token for sale and token exchange rate, minimum transaction amount, acceptable currencies, and the private pre-sale and tokens and public pre-sales and listing Sion coin on public exchange. And the token pre-sale starts on public pre-sale registration you see here, and the name, email, I'm not sure about. Register here to easily to registration about publish pre-sale on the seed on tokens. And the roadmap of this great and wonderful project is that September 2021 start of platform planning, I community build up I strategic partnership. October 2021 Detroit smart contract audit and on coin market cap listing. And you see here December 2021 ICO platform. You see all this, all things will be planned, and you all think every point is mentioned in their roadmap. You see a roadmap and easily to understand. You carefully reading about roadmap, you all the point you understand of this big and good project. Team players, second squad is there. Team player is that Claudio Minion, Teodoro, and co-founder C2. You see all the names of this good and nice project. This is all the social media links of this great project. You convey his message to this and every information about this project to you use and subscribe to these channels, and you easily to update it. And the fake of this project, this is some question about when is the public pre-sale. You click there to you see all the answer about every man to mind question is answer is everyone is mentioned is there too. So I said that this is a very nice and good project, and we will see a technology. So you see on technology our solution will provide an innovative ecosystem, and you we will token details. We will discuss all point to point everything. We will discuss the Claudian mines and everything. You will discuss very nicely. So in the last we will see that this is a very good and exciting and interesting project. So everyone invest his money and everyone join this project. Thank you very much.